Viewers, amid the candlelight marches that are being staged, Ketan's mother has demanded justice for her son and a death penalty for the two accused, Ketan's fiancé, Sia, and her alleged lover, Chetan Chaudhary. Let's listen into the mother's statement.
फिर मुझे जस्टिस चाहिए वो केतन के लिए बस, और सिया को फांसी की सजा लेनी है। नहीं, सिया को, आज मैं भी माँ हूँ, सिया की भी माँ है, लेकिन मुझे सिया के लिए आज फांसी ही चाहिए और मेरे को केतन के लिए जस्टिस चाहिए।
चेतन के लिए जस्टिस, चेतन के लिए
चेतन के लिए भी फांसी होना।
And viewers, Ketan's grandfather has also stated that the family was betrayed by Sia's family, who they had long-standing ties with. He stated that Sia was pressured to marry Chetan, and hence everyone who exerted pressure on Sia leading to Ketan's death should be punished. Let's listen in.
ये बहुत बड़ा धोखा हुआ है और ये धोखा अपनों ने ही दिया है। ये सबसे ज्यादा बुरी बात है। लड़की वाले से हमारे बहुत पुराने संबंध थे और उनको मालूम था, फिर भी नहीं हुआ। मैं पुलिस का हमें बहुत साथ मिला है, उन्होंने सब किया है, लेकिन इसमें मुझे ऐसा पक्का लगता है कि बच्ची को दबा के, दबाव दे के ये शादी कराने का उनका इरादा था। उसमें जो भी 4-5 जने इन्वॉल्व है उनकी भी अच्छी तरह चौकसी हो और इन दोनों को तो सजाए मौत हो, बाकी को भी अच्छी सजा मिले। और आप सब सारे हमारे सोसाइटी के भाई जो हमारे इस दुख में शामिल हुए, अपना अनमोल समय खराब करके यहाँ आए, उसके लिए मैं उनका आभारी हूँ और मीडिया का भी आभारी हूँ, सारे पुलिस ऑफिसरों का आभारी हूँ। न्यायालय पे मुझे पूरा भरोसा है। मुख्यमंत्री ने जो आश्वासन दिया है वो भी पूरा करेंगे। अब मैं धन्यवाद सबका आभारी।
Right, Shweta, statements coming out from Sia's, Ketan's family, pardon me, but once again tell us what is the latest that is coming from Sia's family, because earlier they had said that if Sia and Chetan or whoever is found guilty should be given the same punishment that Sia's family is demanding.
You should see the Success Group. In fact, the group they own, and director was, of course, Ketan Agarwal in this case. And the entire family, trust me, is very well known in Pune, specifically in Pimpri. They are into this real estate, and they are realtors for decades now, and they have been known by so many people. And one can understand that while in a candle march, more than 3,000 people were with them, of course, with the media personnel also being present there, and police personnel also being present there. But having said that, just a short while back, we heard from Ketan Agarwal's grandfather. He has a very plain thing to say that if Sia wasn't willing to marry Ketan, then the people, those who exerted pressure on the on Sia, instead they also be given stringent punishment. And he also stated that it's not just Sia's fault alone, but the kind of pressure was being mounted on her. This should also be noticed, and the police should take stringent, punishment. They should be given stringent punishment to this. But as we have heard from Ketan Agarwal's mother, she is demanding justice, and she also stated that as Ketan is no more by the deeds what Sia and Chetan has done, she stated that they both proven guilty should be hanged to death.